Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of key events have taken place, which has helped the crypto market recover from the insane sell-off that we experienced about 48 hours ago. But majority of the altcoins are just following Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was not able to break the critical resistance close to 84,000. That's why the fear has shown no signs of cooling off, and maybe a lot of people are starting to question, is this a reversal or is this a fake out before we see another strong sell-off? Now that question will be answered, but before that you need to see this. Fidelity files to add staking to its Ethereum ETF. More thing happening with ETF, and on the other end, SEC delays the grayscale spot Dogecoin ETF, and this is going to be a little bit hard because it will take a little bit longer for the Dogecoin ETF to actually go through. Coinbase plans India comeback with the registration, while another exchange being able to make a return into Indian crypto market is huge, while President Trump purchases a Tesla from Elon and has it delivered to White House. This is huge. If this is not conflict of interest, I don't know what is. And Texas lawmakers seek to cap states' proposed Bitcoin purchase at $250 million. Even $250 million worth of Bitcoin being purchased by a state is huge. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notification for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Let's go for a like of 29. It would help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys this chart just to give you a little bit of perspective in terms of how it's able to show some sort of substantial growth. Now, what I mean by that is, you can see after retesting close to 14 cents, that was huge because a lot of people anticipated that, you know, the next support is going to be 14 cents, including me. Now, we were able to rebound, but that rebound actually took us all the way to 16.5. The critical resistance currently for Dogecoin is sitting at about 17.5. Now, if we're just able to consolidate at this price action, there's still much more things that can happen in the future, because you can see over here, it has actually shown an explosive result before. Another thing that's important for you to understand is always, when I say always, Dogecoin loves to go into a consolidation phase and then have a very short-term momentum, which is going to push the market up or down. So overall, if you're expecting the market to have a gradual growth like majority of the crypto market or the stock market, then you're not, you shouldn't be part of the Dogecoin army, because Dogecoin usually likes to just show an explosive growth, and that's what we have seen long time. At the same time, the open interest is showing about 6% increase, meaning a lot of people are finally seeing a little bit of a positive trend starting to form, and they're expecting a good return. On the other end, Bitcoin is something similar, about 3% increase. Jim Cramer says President Trump should change course on tariffs, because if he does not do that, we can be heading towards recession very soon. And even Trump knows himself. On the interview, he mentioned how recession should not be ruled out in terms of it might happen. And Senator says Bitcoin Act is a solution to our national debt and the future of American prosperity. This is very interesting, because if this is taken in a different way, let me just talk about it from perspective of European Union. They're not extremely happy with the way America is trying to promote crypto, because crypto has not always been the safest option. A lot of things are very hard to manipulate, and a lot of things are hard to control, such as scams. And let me tell you one thing, Trump still has the same idea that before August, he wants to establish stablecoin regulations. But because USDT, or if we just talk about any stable coin, majority of them are working very closely with the US government to try to increase or just have the crypto market regulations in favor of stable coins. And seeing that the government is going to be holding Bitcoin through the reserves, the chances of them being super harsh on stable coins will be much lower, due to the fact stable coins are the backbone of the crypto market. If they are affected in a bad way, well, the entire market is going to be affected badly. Now, this is interesting. Musk says Tesla will double its vehicle production in the United States, and that's exactly what Trump wants. They want to increase the amount of money being spent in the US to be greater. And Canada agrees to suspend 25% electricity tariff on the United States. Now, this is interesting because the new president has come in, and I don't know why they had such a strong switch up so quickly, even though America did not agree to anything. And the stock RSI just crossed over Bitcoin daily chart. This is a signal of a potential trend shift. But trend shift would take a little bit more push because we need to ensure that Bitcoin's able to climb to its previous strong resistance, which is close to 98,000. And if we just get there, the chances of the market climbing even higher is much greater. Now, crypto liquidations wipe out 600 million from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. And let me tell you one thing, traders remain cautious amid the market volatility, with Bitcoin's dominance in the US reserve questioned. What's very interesting that's happening currently is I personally feel like a lot of people don't understand how big of a deal currently everything is happening, because Trump's decisions, which are so soon and so frequent, are pretty much confusing the people, and the fear is definitely going to be higher. When the fear is higher, less people are likely to put money into the crypto market, and therefore the market becomes a little bit more harder to predict. And buying the dip, analysts identify crucial Dogecoin demand zones, and these demand zones are very, very clear. All you need to do is, in meantime, Dogecoin trades at 17 in the market of this. Currently, the demand zones that you should be paying attention to is close to 16 cents and 13 cents. If we're able to, get there, that would be a very good opportunity for you to buy in. And US resumes military aid and intelligence to Ukraine after agreeing to a ceasefire proposal. Now, it's scary, that's what I'm going to say, and this is very political, so I don't want to make any sort of crazy statement on it. And Canada files to sell the US bonds. Now, this is crazy because Canada and US have been very close allies, and seeing so many things are going against each other is a little scary. And the number of active Ethereum addresses jumped 17% just in the last 24 hours, climbing from 430,000 to 500,000. That's a big jump, and that just means that there's more people which are actually running towards Ethereum currently to buy it more. And why Dogecoin whales are scooping up Doge even though the price is falling? Well, there's a lot of whales which like to buy when the fear is extremely high, and that's exactly what's happening. And the Grayscale Dogecoin ETF, this is going to be the key way that the next leg of the Dogecoin market is going to start. And usually the retail investors, when they make a return into the crypto market, they want to purchase meme coins first. Other than that, we are definitely in a bullish market. There's more things to come. Again, everything I said today was not financial advice. I just like to give my personal opinion. Use your money the way you want, because do your own research, and I'll see you soon.